What's one of the main attractions here in Naples, Florida, whether you live here or you're visiting? It's boating, of course. So whether you're diving, fishing, or sightseeing, we've got it all. Hi, I'm Kim Menkhorst, luxury realtor here in Naples, Florida, and host of Lavish Living in Naples. And in today's episode, we're going to go through all the fun stuff that you can do locally with boating. Boating is such a relaxing way to spend your time, and we're blessed that here in Naples, Florida, we can boat all year round. Although in the summertime, the thunderstorms do come like clockwork around 3 p.m., so do what you can to avoid that. In today's video, I'm going to break down different places you can visit on your boat, name a few marinas and yacht club options, discuss boating clubs, and name communities where you can purchase and keep your boat at your own home or condo so that you can go out whenever you want. Oh, and I'll even link a few yacht and boat brokerages so you can visit in town and upgrade and buy that new boat. First, let's go over a few popular boating locations. Keewaydin Island is just south of Port Royal and through the waterways and only accessible by boat. Usually on your way to Keewaydin, you're always going to see some dolphins. And there are two reasons that people like to go to Keewaydin: to enjoy a piece of Florida that's pure and mostly untouched, no commercialization, or people like to party on boats. Keewaydin Island used to be more of a local hangout where young kids went to party. Okay, so it still has that same party vibe, but now the secret's out and everyone goes there to dock their boats, listen to music, get some sun, and meet up with friends. There are no restrooms, but if you're lucky, you'll run into a few boats that offer hamburgers and hot dogs, and there's even an ice cream boat. There are homes on the islands and rentals too, but again, the only way to get there is by boat, and they have zero commercialization in that island. If you keep going further south, you're going to run into Marco Island. There are restaurants where you can dock up the boat, get out and eat, and so many waterways to explore and go fishing. We have some great fishing spots here, but of course the avid fishermen aren't going to give away their trade secret locations, but you can catch snapper, grouper, and my favorite, hogfish if you go out into the Gulf. A cool website to visit is flfishingspots.com, and I'll put the link down below. It's a local site and they put GPS coordinates up for the best fishing spots, but you didn't hear it from me. You can also explore the 10,000 Islands on your boat. The 10,000 Islands are a chain of islands off the coast of Southwest Florida between Cape Romano, which is at the south end of Marco Island, and the mouth of the Los Mens River. These are mostly deserted and secluded, and one cool thing to stop and check out is the dome houses at Cape Romano. Every year they sink just a little bit more into the water, so go out and see them while you still can. If you don't own a boat and you don't want to own a boat, but you maybe have family visiting or just decide to go out in the waterways, there are a lot of sightseeing tours which are fun to do around here. Most of these tours leave from Tin City, downtown Naples, and they ride through Naples Bay. Depending on your tour, you can see the dolphins, be dropped off at secluded beaches for shelling, go deep sea fishing, or view the multi-million-dollar estates through Port Royal, hearing all the stories, all the celebrities that live there. Or you can head out to the Gulf for sunsets and champagne. There are a ton of different options, different time frames, and types of boats. You can also find spots nearby to rent your own boat where you drive it yourself or you can hire a captain, including a place like Naples Bay Resort, which is just across the bay from Tin City. Collier County also has private yacht club options such as Hamilton Harbor, Naples Yacht Club, Marco Island Yacht Club, and others. And some do have waiting lists right now, while others are by invitation only, and all of them offer different membership levels. There's also other private communities where you have options to join a private yacht club, but only if you're a part of that community. For example, Pelican Isles Yacht Club in North Naples. If you live in the moorings or park shore and you don't have a boat dock at your house, there are slips available nearby at Venetian Village. So even if you decided to buy a condo, there are communities that possibly have boat slip options to lease or purchase. If you're looking for more freedom where you can choose your own boat based on your mood or what you want to do, you can join a destination boat club. These facilities have well-maintained and fully equipped boats for any occasion, ranging from walk-around boats, pontoons, deck boats, bay boats, and catamarans. They have customized membership plans and safety boater courses that you must take and pass, plus prices start as low as $235 a month. If you've realized that being on the water is why you've come to the Naples area, then maybe the best option is to purchase a home where you can keep the boat there and go out on the water whenever you please. A few communities where you can have your own boat with easy access to the Gulf of Mexico are Port Royal, Royal Harbor, Park Shore, the Moorings, and the Connors up in the Vanderbilt Beach area. But be careful. There are a few communities and waterways where the canal width might look larger, but the water isn't as deep as you might think, so you're going to be limiting yourself on the size of the boat that you can get and when you can go out. If the tide is low, forget it. My contact information is below, so be sure to ask me about these locations so you don't get stuck living on a waterway where you can't have the boat of your dreams. And if you're ready to buy a new boat, I'm also going to link a few local yacht brokers down below. If you have any questions about boating or know of any good spots you want to share with our viewers, please comment below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this channel.